Welcome back to our course. We will discuss logical operators used with if. We have three logical operators, and all conditions must be true, or at least one condition must be true, not condition is inverted. Let's have our example. We have two variables, age and is graduate. So age, input, enter your age, and to cast this input into an integer, we simply write integer and have our brackets here. Is graduate equals input true or false? Of course, this input makes the program recognize any input as a string. To cast it into a boolean, we simply write is graduate equals is graduate dot lower, have our brackets and the equivalent sign between quotations true. Now, if we print here, let's check this casting. If we print type of the variable is graduate, it will give a boolean. Let's enter the age here, say 20, true. The class is boolean, yes, and everything else is working correctly. Let's remove this print type now. So if the variable age is greater than or equal to 18, this is one condition. We use this and now, this logical operator and another condition must be fulfilled, which is graduate equals true. But we don't really need to write the boolean here, to assign the boolean to the variable in the if condition. So we simply put our colon here and write our text, print between quotations you can register because both conditions are fulfilled. But what if one of them is not fulfilled? We have our else here, colon, and just print. Simply you can't register between quotations. Let's have our run here. If the age is 20 and is graduate is true, then you can register. Let's have another run. If you are below age 15, even if you are a graduate, so we write here true, you cannot register, and so on. Let's try something else. Have a copy of this and make them comments for now. Paste the copy here and add here not in order to invert the condition. Not. Since we added a not here, then we must make this less than. Because if the age is not less than 18, then it must be either equal to or greater than 18. And therefore, we have the same results. So if we have our 20, our true here, then we can register. Let's try something else here. Let's have one condition. If age is less than 18, just print you are underage. Let's have elif, one elif here, age is greater than 60, we simply print you are on pension. Otherwise, the age is within the range. So we have our else, print within age. Now let's try to compact this if block by using the logical operator OR. So let's write here if age less than 18 or age greater than 60, print age out of range. Before having our run here, let's cancel those and have a copy of the input. So here we input our age, and if one of those conditions are fulfilled, either age less than 80 or age greater than 60, Python will print age out of range. And let's have a run here. Age out of range here. Let's have another run. Say the age is 40. It just quits the program. It only quits this if block. So let's have here else to make things clearer. Else age is within 18 and 60. We ask Python just to print within range. So let's have a run and print our 40 here within range. So to sum it up, logical operators and or not simply can reduce the code written in any program.